Today we're in Ramsey, New Jersey at the Ramsey Farmers Market to meet up with a local Tastemade fan named Kathy for a fun game we're calling the Mystery Farmers Market Bag Challenge. This is Kathy. She runs a travel blog and Instagram called Tasteful Destination, where she shares her delicious experiences from all over the world. We're keeping it local today at the Ramsey Farmers Market by doing a challenge where we give Kathy $40 to fill up this beautiful Eat Local Tastemade bag with amazing locally sourced ingredients that this market is known for. Then we're gonna head back to my kitchen to see if I could whip up something yummy and hopefully edible for us to eat. All right, Kathy, here you go.
Thank you, Jen. Challenge accepted. See you soon. Bye-bye.
What do I do? Ooh, samples.
Oh my goodness, they look like little snakes. Look at this. I think this would be great.
Hey, how'd you do?
I came under budget. Look at this. Look, yes.
Thank you. Let's head back home and see if I can make something.
Yes, let's go.
All right, we're back in the kitchen. Let's see what Kathy got for me to cook up.
And let's see if she can make anything edible.
I can cook, all right? I cook for a living.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why do you doubt me?
Never that, Jen.
Leave.
Never, no, fine.
Pop that out. Woo! I feel like a kale cheerleader. Give me a K.
Hey. I thought we were spelling the kale here, but...
Those are huge beets. I love beets.
Yeah?
I'm so glad. These are golden beets.
Golden beets,
They're
yeah.
huge.
I've never had these, so I really love, I love the purple ones, but never
I'm
had
about
them.
to cry. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite thing in the whole world. Did you know that?
No.
I love garlic scapes. Oh, currants. Squash. She knows my favorite shape too. Okay. Ooh. Baked with J cookies. Cinnamon maple French toast cookies. Fish. Tilapia?
It's cod.
Cod?
Yeah,
Ooh.
cod family.
All right, you've got some really good stuff here. I'm so excited to see what I can cook. Here's the plan. I'm gonna make a parchment poached fish on a bed of beet, zucchini, and make a little miso, cinnamon cookies, spice something butter. Just go with me, it's gonna work out. Then I'm gonna pair it up with something fresh. So I think I'm gonna make a massaged kale salad with a little currant and garlic scape dressing. I've got everything prepped. Now I'm gonna make little parchments of the fish. I'm not sure how the layering is gonna go yet, but I think it's gonna be delicious. Do a little bit of the squash. And then look how pretty. Boom, boom. I'm gonna salt and pepper both sides of the fish. I'm gonna fold it over, in. And I'm gonna let Kathy do the second one. Necessities. Closed up.
Okay.
Right, like a little empanada. All right, thank you. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 400.
That's fine with me.
I like how we walk it off together. Okay, I'm really nervous because it looks good. I think
It looks really nice. And it smells delicious, so...
I'm just gonna watch you eat it first.
Why?
Is that weird?
Let's try the fish. Was this mine or yours?
Take a little beet.
With this? Just, I was skeptical. But
Thank you so much for joining me today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, this was so much fun. I challenge you guys to do the same with your friends. So hit up a local farmer's market, let your friends choose the ingredients, and then cook up something special. Make sure you share a photo with us, tag us on Instagram, and use the hashtag #TasteMadeMeDoIt so we could see your beautiful creations. See you guys next time.
Bye-bye.